In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a ResearchGate ID. So the first thing you're going to have to do is you want to go to researchgate.net, and then to actually get the ResearchGate ID, you will have to create an account. Now to do this, click on Join for Free over here or up here, and then once you click on it, here you'll have to select what type of researcher you are. Now, of course, to be able to get your ResearchGate ID, you'll have to be one of these categories over here. So either academic or student, and this is what falls under it, either corporate or government or NGO. So these are what this is talking about. Then you can be medical, so healthcare and stuff like that. Or if you're not a researcher, you can be a citizen scientist, a journalist, or whatever it says over here. Now, after you select what you want to do and what's the most relevant to you, let's say we're going to go with academic or student over here, you then have to put in your institution and department details, okay? So of course put that in. Depending on whatever you chose in the earlier step, you'll have to put in different info, and then press continue. And in here, you'll have to essentially put in your first name, your last name, and then after you did that, you'll have to put in your country or region, okay? So after you do that, you have to put in your institution email. And if you actually have an institution email, I would actually recommend you put it in here because you can put it like this. There we go. You're going to get a check mark. And if you have an institution email, in the next step, you will be able to get instant access. Otherwise, they'll have to confirm you. So let me just really quickly create a random password over here so I can continue. There we go. And then you have to agree to their terms of service and privacy policy. And then you can press continue. Now, here you have two options. You can request a free account, and you can do this by helping them confirm you actually are a researcher, and then they can process your account as quickly as possible. You have to do this, and you have to put in your university educational level. You have to put in your publication history. And then you have to put in, of course, all your links, your info, your CV, publications, your work, conference abstracts, etc. that you have done in the past. And then after you do this, you can request a free account. They will review that and hopefully accept you. Now, that's the first step, but of course, you also have a second option in case you have an institutional email, for example, like email from your university or something like that. If you're a student, you'll be able to gain instant access by clicking provide email over here. You have to provide in your email, and then you can press continue, go through just a few more steps, and then you will essentially be good to go and your account will be created. And together with your account, doesn't matter which of those two steps you took, will essentially give you, and you will get a ResearchGate ID together with that. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.